The distress signal (SOS) is one of the most important emergency signals at sea. Under Coleridge's Annex IV and the International Code of Signals, it can be transmitted using a Morse light signal lamp to indicate grave and imminent danger. What SOS means in Morse code? SOS is transmitted as a continuous Morse sequence. Is dot 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 three short flashes. O dash 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 three long flashes. Is dot 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 three short flashes. Combined dot 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 dash 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 dot dot dot. Method of transmitting SOS by Morse light. 1. Use a signaling lamp, Aldis lamp or any strong light source. 2. Face the direction of the intended receiver. Ship, aircraft, or shore. 3. Send the signal as 3 short flashes, about 1 second each. 3 long flashes, about 3 seconds each. 3 short flashes again. 4. Keep spacing correct. Short gap between flashes within a letter. Slightly longer gap between letter. 5. Repeat, repeat continuously until acknowledged. According to Coleridge, Annex 4, this is repeated flashing light is a recognized distress signal.
Method of receiving SOS by Morse light. Maintain a proper lookout as required by Coleridge Rule 5. Identity the pattern. 3 short, 3 long, 3 short flashes. Confirm it is repeated to avoid confusion with random light. Acknowledge receipt using Morse light. Commonly are take immediate action. Inform the master captain. Plot the direction of the signal. Proceed to assist if safe and required under maritime law. Key points from Colerex and ICS. SOS by light is universally recognized as a distress signal. It indicates grave and imminent danger requiring immediate assistance. No additional wording is needed. The signal itself is sufficient. Must be used only in genuine emergencies. Simple memory trick. Think of it as short 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 for S, long 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 for O, short 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 for S. A clear arithmetic pattern that stands out even at long distance.